Hello, this is a video of Drupal installation and configuration. For that we have to install Drupal. So go to the browser, type drupal.org site, and here in this site we can get all the modules, themes, documentation, forum, and whatever we want to learn about Drupal we can get over here. So for downloading the Drupal, just go to the download and extend link. Here just click on the Drupal so that we can download the Drupal zip. It's a latest version of Drupal and it's a open source so that it is easy to download it. I already downloaded and put it into the XAMPP in htdocs. If you have XAMPP, then put into the htdocs Drupal 7.7 zip, and if you have WAM, then put it into the www folder. So just extract over here the folder. It's take less than 1 minute, so that the folder is over here. We can rename it. I just write learn_dp. So it's my folder name. Sorry, I just copied it. For now we can see it in the localhost tower. Go to the localhost, write your folder name, just learn_dp and enter, so that we can see the installation of Drupal. Here is the two format, that is standard and minimal. We recommend the standard format because it has the pre-configuration. So just click on the save and continue button. After clicking that, we can get the language. It's by default English, so that no one can change this language. So just click on the save and continue button. So here it is all about the database. We can write the database name, database username, and database password. For database name, we have to create one database in a local host. So just go to the PHP myadmin and write over here the database name, that is Drupal. Just write the name, whatever you want to make your database name, and just click on the create button. The database is created. Just copied it and paste it over here. Write your username, that is root, and write your password, that is also root. Here it advanced option, in that you can also change your database host name, database port name, and table prefix. So if you want to write over here, then you can. It's not compulsory. Database host name is compulsory. So just click on the save and continue button after filling all the details. It's redirecting into the install profile. That is the next step to installation. It started for installing. It's take 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Now it is redirecting. After completion of installing, it's redirecting under the configuration site. Here is the site information. Here is the site name. We can change it. I can write here learn Drupal. Here is the site email address. I just write my email address. Here is the username of your site, that is admin. So I write admin or whatever you want. Here is the password, that is also admin. Whatever you want to write over here, you can. Here is the country selected. It's not compulsory to select your country, that is India. It's a server setting. Time, and here is the update notification. If you check the both of the checkbox, then you can get the check for update automatically and receive email notification. If you do not want this, then uncheck this and then click on the save and continue button. After this, the installation processes will be completed. So congratulations, you installed the Drupal. So now visit your new site. Click on this link. So you redirect to the home page of Drupal. That is welcome to learn Drupal. This is the site name which we wrote on the site name information, right? Okay, this is the admin menu. We log in as admin, so it's right over here, hello admin. If we enter as a user, then here print as a username. It's a logout. It's all about the menu, admin menu, dashboard, content, structure, appearance, that is theme, people, that is a user and admin, plugin, that is the module, configuration, that means the whole site configuration over here, reports, we can generate reports, help as normal. So that first of all we start the configuration. Click on the configuration tab. We just redirect to the page. Wait for a while. It just take 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, this is it. Here is the configuration. In that people, system, content authoring, user interface, development, media, search and metadata, like this, web services, and regional and language. So it's a configuration. First of all, we go to the site information, that is we show as the when we install the Drupal, the site name. Here we can write the slogan also. It's a email address. If you want to change the email address, you can by here. This is the front page, default front page. When we log in as admin or any user, if we want to redirect our page in another page like home or whatever, like, so we can write here its name, so that we can directly redirect to this link. This is the error page. If we got 403 or 404 error, then we want to show the page of our, so we just write the name of page over here and here, so that if any user get 403 or 404 error, then it's directly redirect to this page, whatever we write over here. It's a name. And then after just click on the save configuration. So the configuration option has been saved. Don't forget to click on the save configuration. So it's all about the site information. Just go to the configuration again. It takes some time. Yeah, again, This is about system site information. I will give you all the overview about the whole thing, because everything is not necessary for right now as a fresher in a Drupal. So just overview about the configuration. Just go to the people means user. So go to the account setting. Yeah, here is the anonymous username. We can write over the username. Here we can select the role. Here all the registration and cancellation process, like who can register account. So we can, admin can change the authority of visitor, administrator or anything. So it's all about that. Now it's a checkbox for email verification. When user or visitor creates an account, and if we check this checkbox, then user get verification link. So if we don't want to send a mail about verification, then uncheck this checkbox. If we want, then check this checkbox. Here is about the cancellation of user account. All are the options. Now it's about personalization. On registration form we can get the picture directory, default picture, picture display any style, and picture upload dimensions, upload size, anything, everything can be changed by here as the admin. So it's all about this. Here is the email. If we want to send a mail about to the visitor about verification, then this is the email about body. This kind of email we can send to the visitors, and after any changes just click on the save configuration. It's a compulsory, otherwise your changes will not be affected. So it's all about the configuration in account setting. It's a basic information of the configuration in Drupal. Yeah, this is again the development in that the performance is the main you can say functionality in Drupal, that it will clear all the cache of the site. If we just click on the clear or cache button, then all the cache will be deleted by, or you can say clear by this button. So just click on this, we can clear all the cache of the site. Nothing else is needed for that. So it's about performance. We can, you know, you can say like you can better your performance by this performance functionality. So go to the configuration again. In in cache, in performance cache, we can set also the minimum cache lifetime, expiration cache, pages, bandwidth optimization. Here we can aggregate and compress the CSS file and JavaScript file. So it's very useful to us. So it's all about the configuration. One thing is that URL alliances. Suppose we make some page like home or any page, then URL system can make her own node, like node/1, node/2, node/3. It's like an automatic system can make her node page name. So they made it over here in URL alliances. So if we want to check the node ID or page ID, then we can check over here in the configuration and search metadata in alliances. So it's all about configuration. Now we redirect it to the modules. We'll give you an overview about the module. There are three tabs: list, update and uninstall. So list, in that core module is available in Drupal that are so many modules. Whatever we want to use, we just click on that and just write, save the configuration, so that that module will be enable. And if we don't want that, just uncheck that module and save the configuration button, so that this is undisable. Suppose we want to put the PHP filter module enable, then just check on this and click on the save configuration button. So by search that module, yeah, we can get this, that this is enable, and their options help, permission and help are enable. So every module has a configuration, permission and all this thing. You can see that path module has a help, permission and configuration, so that by clicking on the configuration we can configure that module easily. So it's depend on the module, which module we enable, and which has its functionality, what functionality it has. So it's depend on the module. Suppose we want to install new module, then just click on this. So install from URL, yeah, or you want to browse the browse the thing, then you can browse that and just put your zip file over here and then install it. So it's easily install. Otherwise you can install from the URL. You can just write over here like this, zip file or tar zip, whatever it is, and just install it. Then it's install the new module. So it's about modules. It's an overview of modules. Further information will be in the next part of video. Now we are redirecting into the people. Here we can add people, we can add user, you can say like that. We can give her status, active or block. We can give her permission about that user, and we can select a role about user. By this we can filter the user. Suppose we want to add a new user, then just click on the add user. Right here as username like Krupa, email address krupa@gmail.com. Here it's a password. Admin can do this. Status, that is block or active, I put it active. Roles, authenticated user is a by default, then administrator and notify user of new account. This option will notify the new user that you are registered in this site. So if you want to do that, then just check this. It's a local host, so email was not sent to the user. So just click on the create new account. So created a new user account for Krupa. No email has been sent, as per I said that. So now just we want to check that the account is made or not. So just I go to the another browser, localhost, and just write learn_dp. So here I write as I'm not login as an admin, I am login as a new user like Krupa, and password is also Krupa, and login. So this is the home page of normal user, not as a admin. See the difference. This is the normal user, and this is the admin. So admin have access that he can make an user like this, and he admin has also access to show a block, comment or anything to the user or not. By checking this checkbox, you can give permission to the user whatever you want to see her, or whatever you want you don't want to see her. So it's about people. Now we are going to the appearance, that is the theme appearance. In Drupal, Batik theme is a by default theme. We can change the theme. By this we can install the new theme as per the module. For enable theme, here is the 7. Disable themes are over here, garland and stack. If you want to see garland as a basic theme, then enable and set default. Click on this button. So this is the theme, and if we want to see, then just go to this page and refresh. See, the themes are changed. Everything is changed. So suppose we want to change a color or anything, logo, color, site name or anything, just go to the setting. You can change over here the color like this. Whatever you color you want, just make like this. Here is the garland, here is the logo. If we want to show the Drupal logo, then click on this. If we don't want, then just remove this. If we do not want to show the site name, just click we don't want to show. If we want to display the another logo, like we have this kind of logo of Drupal, so we just change that logo, then just click on this and path to the custom logo, or browse the logo or logo image and just upload it about that. And this is about the favicon. Whatever we want to put image as a favicon, then just click over here like above and just browse it and put image and save the configuration. Click on the save configuration, it will be a save. And if we want to check, then just go to here and check. Yeah, color has been changed. I just uncheck the site name over here, like yeah, so it's not it's reflecting over here. Site name is disabled. If I want to see, then just click over here and save configuration, just paste it. Yeah, learn Drupal, site name is available. So we can change whatever we want to change over here. The options are available. So it's about theme. Now we are going to the structure. Yeah, the structure has a block, content types, menu and taxonomy. It's all about the